Hey guys, welcome back to Rather Be Visin. My name is Sam, and today we're going to be taking a look at an advanced chart type known as a slope chart. Now, a slope chart is a really good way of being able to show a measure movement across two dimensions. So if you want to see if your sales have increased year on year, it's a really good way of quickly being able to see where that has happened. So let's hop into Tableau and start building this out. So the first thing we want to do is to split out our sales by the individual years. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a calculated field. I'm going to call this 2022 sales, and I'm going to say if the year of my order date equals 2022, then I want to show sales end. I'm going to click OK on that. I'm then going to duplicate this, and I'm going to edit this one, and this one I'm going to have as 2023 sales. I'm just going to update that so it's just pulling through the sales for 2023. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my measure names up into columns, and then I'm going to hold Control and I'm going to drag it down onto filters as well. I'm going to select none to untick everything, and then I'm going to tick 2022 and 2023 sales. I'm going to click apply on that and OK, and then I'm going to bring my measure values up into rows. And you can see now we've got our 2022 sales and our 2023 sales as bars. I'm going to change this to be a line, and so now we can see the movement from 2022 to 2023, and if I bring in my subcategory onto detail, we're now going to have a line for each of our subcategories. I'm going to change the view here to fit the width so it goes across the full page, and then I'm also going to bring my subcategory onto label so we have the labels at the end of our lines here. So now we can see where they've moved, but what we might want to do is add some color into this so we can easily see which ones have gone up and which ones have gone down. So what we can do is create another calculated field, and we'll call this sales coloring. And all I'm going to do is bring in the sum of my 2022 sales and say, is that greater than my 2023 sales? If I click apply on that and then OK, and then I bring that onto color, you can see now it's coloring based on whether they have increased or decreased. And if I come into the colors, I can change my false to green and my true to red. And now we can see where we have those movements. We can see all of our subcategories have increased year on year, with the exception of our envelopes down the bottom here. And of course you could get a bit more creative with that coloring calculation, so you could have different bandings. So you could say if it is within a certain percentage increase, then color it maybe an orange so you can see where they maybe staying flat, and then you'd be able to see which have had a big increase, which have had a decrease, and which have stayed relatively flat. So that's how you build a slope chart. Really straightforward, but a really powerful way of very easily being able to pull out those dimensions that have increased or decreased year on year. So hopefully that's useful. If it was, please let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.